Are you working on Hilltop? We are working on the wrong building.
So welcome back. Today we're going to do the Cirque de Saint-Même. It looks like there's an easy one of 30 minutes. That sounds a little bit too easy. Let's say difficile, difficult, which usually the French are pretty good at walks, so that kind of scares us a little bit. But we're going to try it, and apparently there's some very, very nice waterfalls here. So we'll show you the way.
And Tim forgot to say that we still have delays in the construction of Hilltop, so enjoy this new adventure.
So we thought we'd come early in the season because there'd be more water. And looking at this, it's the right decision. I suspect in the height of summer, this is just a little dribble. But right now there's lots of water, lots of noise. Beautiful.
Wow, it's so beautiful here.
Amazing. I can't believe it.
Me neither. It's breathtaking.
Absolutely amazing. But this is why we do it. It reminds me of Ewan McGregor and Charlie Boorman when they did their first motorbike adventure. And the KTM guy said, oh, you go just after winter, it's when it's got the most water. And I think that's what we've done here. The noise is quite incredible. And it's cold, it's really cold, and it's really wet, but it really is stupendous and it's worth the effort. So all you hilltoppers, this is really something you should have on your list to do. We can't wait to see your movies and media from when you're up here. Anyway, we have to go find somewhere warm and less damp, I think. So see you later. So he's done the big steep bit at the beginning, which is it's quite scary, I think, for me at least, because I'm not a big fan of heights. And then you come down to the big waterfall, which you saw. Very impressive, very, very loud, very cold, very damp. And then there's just quite a nice, smooth, not smooth, but you know, a much easier walk back to the parking. I thought, yeah, it's I'm ready for some Chartreuse now.